The cool, cloudy, and foggy weather makes me and my cycle come together. Makes me pedal my way to the small farms to be delighted once again by its charm. The lush green and beautiful hills are enough to give me chills that will last with me at least for a week until I move out again for something unique. The raindrops cool me down when I'm cycling around the town. I just hope they never stop, as I don't want the sun to pop. I enjoy cycling on the dust-free roads, where closing my eyes is optional, I suppose. It helps me enjoy the scenery without worrying about my eyes in theory. The amazing waterfalls are waiting. It's difficult to keep resisting. It makes me feel elated to see all the water falling down collated. The lakes and dams are waiting for me to take a dip, without which I would say it's incomplete, my trip. This is why I cycle in the rain. Tell me yours. I would love to hear you explain.